If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah.
Oh god, I don't want to put my face like near them. Hello. Hello, big boy. Can I pet you? May I pet you?
It's licking me. It's licking me.
Hello, big boy. Can I pet you? You have a big tail. Can I pet you, sir? Can I pet you, big sir?
Did you take pictures? I'll take pictures.
I'm making videos.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
Such a cutie.
Can I pet the little one? Okay. You make a video there.
Hello.
I think they're sleeping, so you cannot. Oh, he's scratching this thing. Observe the cat. Oh my god, there's a bingus, but it's sleeping. No, there's a bingus cat there. I don't know what it's called. It's a Egyptian something. Jeez, majority of the cats are sleeping, right?
Yeah, that's and will like.
No, but it's gonna wake them up.
That's okay. You take a video then.